Meaning of hope.
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 Hope. Hope is a feeling of expectation and desire for a certain thing to happen. It is a positive emotion that inspires confidence and optimism in the face of uncertainty. Hope can give us the strength to keep pushing forward, to overcome obstacles, and to strive for a better future. It is a powerful force that can instill a sense of purpose and meaning in our lives. Ultimately, hope is a reminder that there is always a possibility for things to get better, and it can provide a beacon of light in even the darkest of times.